So friends, good morning. Today we have again to pray in a school, and the cleanliness is next to the godliness. What does it mean? Cleanliness, clean, and then God, 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 God. Cleanliness is next to the godliness. So you know her. This is our teacher, Vaijanik, and then Rama, and this is our little baby doll. नाम वैज्ञानिक तस्लीमा. हाँ बोलो, क्या 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 नाम
आपका? क्या नाम है? बताओ. वैज्ञानिक तस्लीमा बैगी.
अरे वाह. So all the three will clean somewhat, and it's not a cleaning, it's a pray. We take school as our temple, so it's a morning exercise for us. So actually you are looking this one, na? Ellen, what are you looking in this scene? There are stones, and between the stones grass has grown up. So means what do you think about it? Means if the grass want to live, the grass has taken a very little opportunity to grow here. Within the stones, only some dust particles are collected, and the seeds are get done here. So the grass has grown up. Means grass is a living things, Yes. So if anybody wants to live, within between these two problems, a lot of problems, he may live. He has to fight for his life. Am I right? What? In any problems, in any conditions, the conditions are not favorable to your life. It may happen sometimes. Even then, you can find your path to success. So this is the moral message we may have through this scene. So we are going to clean it, even if it is giving message to us. But this is not right place. This is not right place to grow grass here.
If we will not clean it, the people will also
get struck and will fall,
and it will die because of our feet, na?
Yes.
Climb on it and it will get.
Yes. So first of all, we will have clean, and in the last we will get it out the grass. Okay. Yes, you can see, if any grass want to live, this is means the grass know how to live. Even the grass is not a literate person, but जो लोग जीना चाहते हैं ना, वो पत्थरों के बीच से सीना चीर के वहाँ से अपना जीवन खोज लेते हैं. अंडरस्टैंड एलन? एक बहुत अच्छी पोएम है अमिताभ बच्चन के द्वारा रिसाइटेड. आपको हम अभी सुनाएंगे बाद में. तो चलते हैं, इन जो ग्रासेस हैं इनको हटाते हैं, बिकॉज we are not allowed, we will not allowed to grow grass here. For the grass we have left the place. Grass may grow there, but not here.
पहन ये टोपी। Now I will do it. Huh?
Wait for some.
There the dust.
How do I swim? How do I swim? You see?
Okay,
so we will do like this, huh?
Okay. Our badminton court. We play badminton here in the evening. And my father is cleaning that. Father, where we play there is no grass. Where we play there is no grass.
Play means only if you walk now. The grass will understand that we have not chance to grow here. And it is clean also. Looking. Why? If you walk only now, the stone. This is the stone. Stone has been cut. And you are getting a plain, shining surface.
When many persons started to walk in up on the mountain, then there will be a path. And there is no grass in the path. Beside there, many grass. Here we sitting in the chair. Okay. जा हो जा वहाँ जा बाबू इधर 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 पापा के पास जाएगा इधर जाना जाओ हम तुमसे बात नहीं करेंगे क्या घरे ना जो ना हो जाए यही जा और था थोड़ा सामने हाय कर दे हाय हाय कर दे करना है नैन से डरपोक है this much dust wow हो जा so much dust. पापा अब मेरा, अब मैं करूँगी।
Okay, okay, do it. No. What I have told you, only backward, backside, backward, not the forward, backward. Yes. Come here, come on this side. Right hand side will throw backside. Yes. Now. Oh yaar. Okay. You are holding. Yes. Now hold. Now do. Yes. Backside. This right hand side. Right hand will search backside. Yes. Hey, slow. Keep the sweep now. Sweep. Huh? How was I doing? Hold. Somewhat upside. Hold upside. More. Yes. Now. Yes. Very good. So, very good. That's good. Very good. Okay. No. Okay, later we will do it, huh? So come here, come. So we are getting this grass out, and yes.
Much root.
Yes, roots. You can see this roots. Means if anybody wants to live, means
उसको हटाना भी मुश्किल है.
Yes. Because many roots are, na? They will get many roots.
Oh my God.
Very good. You're not allowed here, na?
Get out of here.
Get out from here. Very good. Use your tools, na? Yes. So dig some soil. Dig some soil. Yes. Yes. Cut it. Yes. Very good. Yes, cut it. Get out. Now come here. Do it.
This.
This is the second other variety, na? So different types of grasses are there.
तो हाथ ही.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Roots. Roots is in deep, na? Okay. Very good, yaar. So, this is the philosophy of life, how to live. In all types of difficulty, you may live if you want to live.
If you don't.
Yes. If you don't, you cannot live.
Anywhere.
And yes.
It is right way or wrong way.
Yes.
If you want to live, you can live in wrong place also.
Yeah, wrong place means you can
Anywhere.
you can clean it, na? You can clean it. Some people say, I always go to the neat and clean place, good places. But some people will say, No, wherever I will go, I will make it neat and clean. So the difference is there, na? Some people only will go to the right place, na?
So it is
But,
the right place because
Yes.
anyone has cleaned it, na?
Yes. So similarly, the actual other conditions are there. Wherever we will go, we will get it clean. We will make it good. There is no need to make complaints. No, yeah, this thing is not good. This thing is not good. So get it good. Very good. Get out from here. Oh, choti. Hey, yaar. This is my little princess. ए तुम्हारा क्या नाम है यार? क्या नाम है? जरा नाम बोल दो तो. Okay, use your both hand. Yes. Why you are not using your both hand? Yes. Time should be speedy. Time should be work should be neat and clean, but it should be in speed. Within minimum number of time, with the amount of time. Very good. Wow, यार.
ये तो हाथी से निकल जाए. और इसकी रूट्स बहुत है. भागो जल्दी. This is a good road. We get out of here.
This is left. One.
This.
Yes. This is what this is.
Oh yes.
Now get it broomed. Now take your broom and get it clean.
Broom.
Yes. Fast. Within less amount of time we have to complete our work. On that direction. This thing will go on that direction. Oh, this has been remained. This is one thing. Yes. Get it clean and check where is the remaining work. Do you know this is the right method which I have told you? This is the forward direction. That is not correct.
Yeah.
Always come in the back. Yes. But okay, I will tell you. First get this grass clean. Others something else left. Only a very little amount of the grass is left. Get it clean very fast.
Okay. This. What? And where is the one?
This is another one. Okay.
This is the only road, not the plan. Where is it?
Oh, छोटी ये देख यार. Okay, this is another third variety of grass. So try to get it out. Anything, it will take some time, but if you've decided, you can do it. This is the life lesson. Yes.
It's my top time.
Okay. No. Yes. Do it fast. Okay, bus. Okay. Get it clean. Take broom. Yes. So this is the very good. but don't get it press, only lightly. Yes. Okay, the left things we will do in the on the next day. Do fast. Yes. Hold upside. Yes. Not. That's also. Yes. Somewhat more. Upside. Yes. Very good. Now. Very good. Wow. Now it appears to be we have started our work through this grass. Now it is clean now. I am going there. Okay. You know, you should to save your broom also, because otherwise your broom will get broken. So you should to use it in such a way that your work will completed, but the broom will not be broken. Means less very how much damage if you can control, na? Very good, yaar. So this was the whole prayer for today. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. So keep watching. And what? And what? Yes. Okay. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Vigyan, Jai Samvidhan. Very good. Bye.